Let's get the latest in Sabah from ABS-CBN's Henry Omaga Diaz. Henry?
Hi, Gigi. Latest from the ground. Just talked to a relative of the Kirams who is living here in Sabah, and he is in touch with the group in Candao. And sabi niya, as of now, the firefight has subsided. Pero yung grupo ni Rajamunda Kiram suffered 4 men wounded. Pero he is clarifying na walang casualty sa kanilang halay, pero hindi nila alam doon sa grupo ng Malaysian forces, no? Apparently nag-umpisa kanina yung firefight, pero ngayon single shots na lang ang naririnig mula doon sa area. Apparently medyo nag-subside na yung firefight at umatras yung magkabilang panig. So, yun ang latest na nakuha natin mula sa ground, Gigi.
So, Henry, linawin ko lang, so there are no fatalities, walang mga namatay, pero merong mga sugatan, 4 ang sugatan. What can you tell us about these? Correct. What can you tell us about these 4 men who were wounded?
Apparently, sila yung mga tao ni Rajamunda Kiram, pero hindi pa natin alam kung serious yung kanilang mga sugat, ano? At kung meron ring mga nasugatan o casualties sa panig ng Malaysian forces. Medyo sketchy rin yung report natin na nakukuha dito dahil, alam mo naman, walang pinapayagan na pumasok doon sa Candao mula dito sa Lahat-Dato. And, even foreign journalists are being detained kung nagkakaroon ng attempt na pumasok doon. So, pero may mga kausap tayo, may mga contacts tayo sa ground, and they are saying that now only single shots are being heard in the area, mga snipers na lang. Pero we also received reports na maraming mga ambulansya ang pumapasok doon sa mismong malapit doon sa mismong village. And then narinig sila mga sirena ng ambulansya at nagsusundo ng mga tao. Pero hindi pa, wala pa tayong detalye tungkol dito. Ang alam natin so far is may mga ambulansya na pumasok doon sa lugar kung saan nangyari yung firefight.
Henry, over the last 2 weeks, there have been persistent reports coming from the Malaysian press that there are children among those the Filipinos who are in Sabah, among the Sultanate of Sulu's Royal Army, are some children, not just women, but also children. Have your sources been able to confirm this with you?
Well, I have talked to some of the people who have evacuated from the area, and according to them, yung mga natitira doon ay mga tao na lamang ni Rajamunda Kiram. Ang estimate na nila from 100 to 200, ano? Pero wala silang nababanggit na mga bata na naiwan doon. Ang sabi nila, ang naiwan na lamang doon na mismo taga-village ay isang matanda na may sakit na kaya hindi nila mabuhat nung sila ay nag-evacuate, no? Pero yung informasyon binibigay sa akin nila ay wala nang nakitirang ibang mga taga-village doon at puro tao na lamang. Wala silang nabanggit na mga bata.
And Henry, do you know if there if there are any, is there from the Philippine Embassy or si Undersecretary Brillantes who flew to Malaysia for this? Is he on site or is he at least on the way to Sabah?
Undersecretary Brillantes is in Kuala Lumpur right now. I just talked to him yesterday. He's still in Kuala Lumpur waiting for the go signal from the Malaysian government para siya makapunta rito, no? So far, yung kanyang pinag-unayan ay ginagawa niya sa Kuala Lumpur. Ang nandito ay ang mga tao ng Philippine Embassy, ang police attaché, pero I just got word from my sources na hindi rin makapasok dun sa area yung police attaché natin. No? So wala rin makuha informasyon yung police attaché natin kung ano talaga ang nangyayari.
Thanks very much for that update. Henry Omaga Diaz, they're reporting from Sabah in Malaysia.